Good morning, students. I am your math teacher. Yes, student, today we will start our new chapter, division. Chapter number 5. In your previous class, you have done this chapter. So, today we will again revise all important points of this chapter. Let us start. Chapter 5, Division. Part 1, Class 4th. Student, see the picture. These are 10 marbles. Suppose these are 10 marbles. And I have to distribute these marbles among my 5 friends. So, every friend will get, see here, every friend will get 2 marbles. Okay, see, 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. And at last 2. And I gave 2 marbles to my friend. So I have no marbles. So division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Now it is second method of division. 10. How many marbles? 10. How many friends? 5. So 10 divided, it is the sign of division. 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. It means every friend will get 2 marbles. Student, every time we cannot use this method because it takes time. Sometimes we have large number. That time this is useful. This method is useful. Okay. Now I will tell you terms used in division. Terms used in division. Now see, the number which is divided is called dividend. See the example. 122. 122 is dividend. The number which is divided is called dividend. Second one, the number by which we divide is called divisor. The number by which we divide, it means 5. 5 is divisor. The answer. Answer means quotient. The answer obtained after division is called quotient. It is our answer. It is the answer of division. We called it quotient. So it is the answer obtained after division is called quotient. At last we have 2. 2 is our remainder. What is remainder? The number left after division is called remainder. Now see how we do this. It is our divisor. Sorry, it is our dividend. It is our divisor. We have to count the table of divisor. 5. Now we have, first we will take 12. We have to count the table of 5. And we have to write a number equal to or less than 12. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 15 is greater than 12. So we cannot write 15 under 12. So we will write here 10. 5 2s are 10. Now we will subtract this from this. So we will get 2. After that we will write next number. Now we have 22. Again we will count the table of 5. Number less than or equal to 22. So we will get 20. Again we will subtract this number from this number and we get 2. Now next point is properties of division. Properties means, students, some important rules of division. Now first rule is, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Our number is, example, our number is 125 and I am dividing it by 1. I am getting same number. Suppose my number is 10 and I am dividing 10 by 1. My answer is 10. When we divide a number by 1, we get same number. Second, when a number is divided by itself means same number. The quotient is 1. Example, 420 divided by 420, answer is 1. 100 divided by 100, answer is 1. 1000 divided by 1000, answer is 1. Next one. When 0 is divided by a number, the quotient is 0. See here, 0 divided by 125, answer is 0. Now last one. For every division fact, there is a multiplication fact which can verify the division. See here, 14 divided by 7, answer is 2. Or 14 divided by 2, answer is 7. These are division fact. Now multiplication fact, 7, this 7 divide by 2, 7 divided by 2, 14. It is multiplication fact. Okay, in this way we can check our answer. Okay student, it is enough for today. Yes student, you have to learn all these points which I taught you today. It is your homework, and good day.